Amid escalating US-China tensions over AI dominance, China launched an antitrust probe into Nvidia, causing its stock to drop 2.5% on Monday, wiping out $89 billion in market value. The investigation centers on Nvidia's alleged antitrust violations, particularly its $7 billion acquisition of Israeli network equipment maker Mellanox in 2020. While China's State Administration for Market Regulation conditionally approved the deal, Nvidia is accused of failing to honor its commitment to avoid discriminating against Chinese firms. Meanwhile, Nvidia CEO Jensen Huang visited Vietnam, meeting Prime Minister Pham Minh Chinh and announcing plans for an AI center in Ho Chi Minh City. Nvidia has invested over $250 million in Vietnam, collaborating with local tech firms in AI applications across cloud computing, automotive, and healthcare. The case highlights growing US-China decoupling and intensifying competition in AI and high-performance computing amid geopolitical tensions.